Guys, this is the water heater. It is tankless, like a lot of new houses these days. You take this knob right here and you turn it up 1 notch, and then that little light will come on. Very important, do not turn it down. If you turn it down 1 notch, then you're gonna have to wait for it to go through a cleaning cycle. That takes anywhere from 30 to 45 minutes. We do the cleaning cycles our own. That just cleans calcification, etc., off of the elements of the water heater. Up 1, remember that, up 1. And then to turn it off, now it's off.